Make sure to save this chicken and rice bake recipe because it is our most popular recipe on our website. Start by searing your chicken quarters 2 at a time in the pan and then setting them aside. In the same skillet, cook your onions, carrots, and garlic. Season, and then cook for 5 minutes. Deglaze with the broth, and then add some herbs, Dijon mustard, stir everything together. Then, add your rice to the skillet, make sure it's nice and level, and then bring back your chicken quarters into the pan. Add your spring of thyme, place the lid, and then bake in the oven. Take the lid off for the last 10 minutes to get it nice and crispy, and there you have it, dinner for 4 in no time. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Find it at FrenchKissCook.com.